Today we are going to see how to add a downloadable file to your WordPress site. So this is me Monica and welcome back to WP Hope. From today's video, you will be able to add a download button to your site. Now let's go for adding a downloadable file to our website. Now you can see we are in the dashboard of our website. So for adding the downloadable file, we have to add into our media. And when you click on media, here you can see the two options. Click on add new. Then here you can see the option of drop files or select files. I'm going to select the files. So I'm choosing this file and just opening over here. The file is getting uploaded. So it is 100% uploaded. And when you will click on edit option, then you can see the link of this file. So let us click the link of this file. It is required later on. So copy it. So now it is, let me update this one. Okay. Once you have uploaded your file, we can now go to the step 2. That is, add the uploaded file to our site. So to add the file, go to the page where you want to add it. So this is the page where we want to add downloadable file. So let's click on edit option. Then let us assume that we want to add a download button to here. So let us click on this block and add here a button option. Then here you can write what you want to display over that button. Let me write here download. Now to add the link over here, click on this option. Now just paste the link which we have copied previously. And now if you want this link to be open in new tab, then you can select this one. So now without doing anything else, click on update one. Now your post is updated. Now you can go into your post and see it whether it is updated or not. You can see this. And here you can find the download option which we have kept here. So now I think you know that how to add a download button to your file. Now if you click on it, you can see the preview of the file which we have kept over there. Then you can see this file which we have kept on it. And if you want to download it, then just click on here the download one. And here you can see our file start downloading. So this is the process which you were able to add the download option to your file which was not edited through using Elementor. Now let's see how you can add a downloadable file to a page which is built using Elementor. Let's say you have a page like this which is built using Elementor. So now to add the downloadable file to this site, let us again go to the option of edit with Elementor. Now you can see our page site with the Elementor editor has been opened. Let us assume that we want to add download file to here. So then here just drag this button option and drop it over here. Now similarly as we have done previously, write here the name which you want to add over here. Let me write here download. Now to add a link to this one, you can see the option of hashtag link over here. Just remove this one, and suppose if you haven't copied the link, then just go in this media file. Again when you click over here, you can see the option of this URL, copy it and again go to our post and paste that here. And now then you can just click on update option. So now this download option has been updated. So this was our previous site where we haven't added any button option over here. So once you will have a refresh it over, the download now option available. So if you will click on it, then you can see here the same PDF which we have added there, and the download option is also again available. If you will click on it, then you can save it and the download suddenly get started. So this is how you can add a downloadable file to a page which is built using Elementor. That's it guys. So now you know how can you add a downloadable file to your WordPress website. Now you can easily add a download button, as well as you can easily download from there. So hope you like it. Also hit the bell icon and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.